Would you get into a car with no steering wheel, no pedals, and no human driver? Well, Amazon, Uber, and Tesla are betting you will. This week in gambling, we're looking at the exploding robotaxi market and how getting around Las Vegas is changing forever. No matter how well you plan your Sin City trip, getting across town is always a challenge. Now, Las Vegas has doubled its driverless zones, and robotaxi companies are fighting for your next ride. So, what are these services? How do you access them? And are they any less expensive? Well, let's begin with Zoox. These are not simply modified cars. They are purpose-built vehicles with no front or back. Instead, there is face-to-face seating, and every seat comes with a wireless charging pad. Zoox serves the Strip, the Sphere, and T-Mobile Arena, and like other rideshare services, you book through their app and meet them at the designated pickup zone. Later this year, you'll even be able to book them on the Uber app. But the best part of Zoox, for now, is that it's totally free, but only while they wait for final regulatory approval. And that could happen at any time. Up next, we have Motional, who are already fully integrated into Uber. So when you book through the Uber app, you might get a robotaxi. If so, you'll get a notification and the option to decline and wait for a human driver. Or you can increase your odds of getting a robotaxi by selecting the autonomous vehicle option in your Uber app ride preference settings. Motional operates on the Strip, downtown, and in the Town Square district. Right now, they have a human safety operator in the driver's seat, but that will stop before the end of this year. You can meet their vehicles in a rideshare pickup zone, and Motional Robotaxi prices are about the same as Uber rides. But since there's no driver, you will save on the tip. Unless, of course, you already don't tip, like some cheap bastard. And that brings us to the newest entry in the Vegas robotaxi race, Tesla. Their vehicles are mapping Sin City streets right now, and public rides are expected to begin by June. Like Motional, they will have a human safety operator on board when they first roll out, before going driverless. Currently, they are using Tesla's crossover SUVs, but purpose-built cybercabs are in production. Tesla robotaxis plan to serve rideshare pickup zones on the Strip, but expansion will include the underground tunnels of the Las Vegas Loop. That should reduce ride times across town to just 8 minutes and cut prices in half. The Loop recently expanded to Resorts World, Westgate, and the Encore, and future plans include Fremont Street. Speaking of downtown, the Plaza and 𝗓𝗏𝗄𝗃 were both making headlines this week as the Sin City Showdown Demolition Derby kicks off April 7th. And as we discussed on our show from March 17th, the new Vanderpump Las Vegas is now taking reservations for a May opening. There was also online gambling news from Caesars as they expand their online slots. Plus, land-based casinos are expanding across America as well, and you can find all of these stories and much more when you visit CasinoCityTimes.com. Finally this week, there are more than 10 robotaxi companies globally, but only 3 in Las Vegas. For now. More will be arriving soon, including Mobility, which has had success in other markets across the country and is now in talks to bring their autonomous Toyota Siennas to Las Vegas on the Lyft network. Right now, they're conducting a pilot program in Vegas near the convention center and plan to launch in late summer or early fall. Then there's Waymo, the big player that many people are waiting for. They are currently in the rollout phase, mapping city streets in their Jaguar I-Pace SUVs, and passenger service for Las Vegas should begin before the end of summer. So the next time you book a rideshare in Las Vegas, don't be surprised if a driverless vehicle shows up. And while robotaxis should make getting around town easier and cheaper for visitors, they will definitely hurt Uber, Lyft, and cab drivers at the same time. If you found this video helpful, we always appreciate a like. And if you want to keep up with other videos as we publish, then be sure to subscribe and follow our channel. You're now free to move about the cabin.